Hello friends, myself AK Agrawal. I am associate with AIC since uh, 2007 and I'm working here since last 7 years. Today's we discuss the topic physical words and its measurement. As you see, physics. Physics is the science of happening natural study of natural phenomena. Any scientific study of natural phenomena is called physics. When we term natural phenomena, it can be anything like raining, lightning, anything that you see around you, it is called physics. And if you want to study that natural phenomena, you need to follow a scientific method. That scientific method, when I'm done scientific method, is it go through a certain process, and that process contains 5 steps. As you look for that, whenever anything will happen, you have to face a problem. This is your first step of a scientific method. When you have a problem, you start to guess how to solve that problem, and that guessing is the second step for your scientific method. Now, when you guess like, okay, we can do like that, we can do like that, then after you start to perform, you start to think how it is performing. You start to experimenting the things, and when you are experimenting, this is called your, and you are getting some observation, this is called your third step. It means in third step you start to experiment and get some observations. Later on, when you experiment it, you got observations, you get a result, and that result is actually the fourth step of a scientific method. When this result is certified by various or different association by the say which is performing on experimenting the same happening, it is true by every association, then it has become law. So any natural phenomena which is occurring in the universe is have scientific process, and which have 5 steps as we have discussed. Now again, what is the role of this physics in the society? As you've seen, it is very exciting to know that everything in our universe is actually it is so tremendous because of this physics. As you can listen to me, as you can directly see to me, this is because of the physics, because of the cameras that made by the physics. So a lot of things like if you want to go somewhere, you need a transportation, you need a vehicle, and how this vehicle is created, or how this vehicle is actually operating, this operation is actually the physics. So in today's scenario, physics has a vital role, and definitely it can lead your life to a maximum height, a tremendous height, if you are exploring it. So keep exploring. Thank you very much.